Hello and welcome to the video. As you can see, we are here in Zexal world and we have Yuma Tsukumo selected. And on the left of the screen there is the Dueling bot, which is my bot which I'm developing. And I will show you how to complete many missions using the bot very quickly. This is something that lots of people are asking me how to do. So finally I will make a proper explanation video and always link everyone to this video. As you can see in the World tab, we have the mission Reduce your opponent's life points to 0 by inflicting battle damage with number 39 Utopia. Okay, so this mission can be completed very easily using the PvE Duel Assessment tab. Yes, this tab is part of the Donator only features, so if you're not Donator, you're not able to access this tab. If you want to become a Donator, you just go to the Donator tab and then you follow the instructions here. Okay, back to the video. In order to set the duel finisher, you want to tick the duel finisher checkbox here, and then you obviously enter the card which you want to use as a duel finisher, which is number 39 Utopia. And that's pretty much it. Now all you have to do is get into a random duel. We will duel against Yuma and then duel. And I still have the duel skipper enabled, which is available in the miscellaneous tab, so you have to disable that if you want to set the duel finisher. Alternatively, in the future there will be an update where you can use set profile for duel skipper in order to also set the duel finisher. Alright, so we disable these two functions and now we can just go into a normal duel, and you will see that the mission will be automatically completed. We will duel against Quattro. And now that the duel skipper is disabled, we will actually get into the duel and we will actually play the duel. So I forgot to enable instant win to instantly win the duel. So we tick that box and then we just end turn and then we win the duel. Alright. So now the mission is automatically completed because all the settings in the PvE Duel Assessment tab will be automatically enabled at the start of the duel. So all these settings you set here, they will be set and you will be credited for these accomplishments, okay? So now if you look in the missions tab, you will see that the mission has been completed and we got the keys and we can level up our stage. So that's pretty cool. And then, yeah, at stage 5 we unlock Bronx Stone, as we can see, and then we will also try to unlock Bronx using the bot, of course. And so here we have some more missions. It says win one duel against Bronx, okay. Inflict 25,000 or more points of battle damage. So in the bot it's very easy. Again, you just set highest battle damage. You set it to between 25,000 and whatever other amount you want. So this is the minimum value which you want to randomize between, and this is the maximum value. And if you tick it, it's of course enabled. So the next one is inflict 5,000 or more points of effect damage. Effect damage is on the right side, so we can set 5,000 as minimum and as maximum, for example, 10,000, and then that should be done as well. The next one is summon 20 monsters in Duel World Zexal, which can be done using normal summons. So we will set this to 20 and 30, for example, and then we are good. Next, we just start a random duel, and then we should be credited for all of these things. As you can see on the tab on the bottom left, it says status duel data modification set. So this means that the modifications have been set for the duel and they will take effect at the end of the duel. Now you can see in the duel results that all of the results which I've just said have taken effect. Perform tribute summon is something I still have enabled. You don't get any points for the normal summons. However, you do get points for the over 9,999 damage. Since we've set 25,000 battle damage, we will be credited with 9,999 damage and that's 3,000 points. That's why our score is higher than before. Okay, if we go to the missions tab, we will not be surprised that these missions have now just been completed. We can receive all, and the next mission is to just win a duel against Bronx, which should be easy enough, because we also have instant win and all that, so it will be very fast. So we switch the gate to Zexal, and we will duel against Bronk. Level 10 or anything you want. So we can hold down the mouse button to skip all of these clicks using the mouse click spammer, which is available on the bot tab on the bottom left. Here you go. So you can tick that to enable the mouse click spammer, which allows you to just hold down your mouse to go through the duels quickly and all that stuff. So you don't have to click all the time, which can be tiring. And yeah, so I'm holding down the mouse, it's skipping all the dialogues, and then we can hopefully level up the stage. That's right. So now we're already stage 6 after that. We don't have to beat all the standard duelists, which is kind of a waste of time. If you just want to level up quickly, you can go ahead and do that. So now we unlocked a couple more character unlock missions, so we're going to do them one by one. First, Bronk. It says win 1 duels against Bronk Stone while playing as Yuma and Astro, so doing the same thing again. The next thing is summon warrior type monsters 5 times in total, which can also be done with the bot using the PvE played cards tab. And then perform 3 Xyz summons is also available in the bot using the Xyz summons setting. So we're going to set 3 and 10 for example, and then that should be fine. Next we will start the gate and we will disable instant win because we need to summon the warrior type monsters. We start the duel, and then once the duel is loaded, this is by the way how to use the PvE played cards tab. You summon a random monster, then you switch the tab to PvE played cards. Maybe you have to click on update played cards, and then it says La La Leon, and here it's a preset for all the missions. You can just select warrior. It will give you warrior digrapher, plate count 60. So this will summon 60 warriors. You click on set, and then you switch back to the instant win function and you enable that. And now you can just end the turn and you win the duel. And at the end of the duel, you will see that you are now credited of having summoned those warrior type monsters. See, there are 4 unreceived items, which is all of this, and we can click receive all, and that's it. We already unlocked Bronk Stone. That was quick. So there you go. We can hold down the mouse again using the mouse click spammer to go through all these dialogues, and next will be to receive this little icon here and switch back to world. We can see that now we can unlock Shark, and it says win 3 duels against Shark while playing as Yuma. That cannot be sped up, so you really have to play 3 duels. You cannot play 1 duel and have it finished. The next one is summon number 39 Utopia 1 times while playing as Yuma against Shark. And then there's also one reduce your opponent's life points to 0 using Utopia. Then use quick play spells 1 time and collect 3 water attribute cards. Okay, so let's configure the bot to do these missions. First, we switch back to PvE duel assessment. We still have Utopia selected, so that's good. The next thing we need to do is use quick play spell cards, which is available here. Quick play spells activated between 1 and 3, so that's fine. And then we will close this and get into a duel with Shark. We will also disable instant win because we need to spoof summon a Utopia, which we can do again using PvE played cards. Okay, so the duel is loaded, and now we can just summon a random monster, and then we go to PvE played cards and we select number 39 Utopia, and then we click on the set button as always. And now that's finished, so we can enable instant win again to win the duel. And we will be credited with all the missions which we just completed. If we switch back to the missions tab in the world, we can see that all these missions are now complete and we can receive all. Okay, the next is to just win 2 more duels against Shark, and hopefully we can collect 2 more water attribute cards so we can finish unlocking him. To speed up the duels, there's actually a function called Duel Skipper, which we saw in the beginning of the video, which you can use to skip duels and go to the results screen directly. So let's use that. Here you see that it didn't even load the duel, and it brings us to the results screen, and we can finish the duel quicker. So now we have to do this again. We have to just keep doing it until Shark is unlocked. So that's our third win. And that's it. We even collected 3 water attributes. So now Shark is complete. He's also unlocked. There you go. And that's all, I guess. So these functions should be pretty easy to understand. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time.